Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Dear learners, this is to inform you that we are in revision segment. That means today our class will be second of revision segment. So in this connections, I request all of my students of class 7 to look at board to check what will be our today's topic in revision segment. So look here, it is written MCQ. I repeat, MCQ 11 to 20 in revision portion. Dear learners, in our first revision class, we revised MCQ 1 to 10. And today, in our second revision class, we will revise MCQ 11 to 20. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 15 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students of class 7, in these connections, I request all of my students to look at board. So look here, also written 1 to 20, it is written 1 to 20 in our revision portion. Number 2. So look at the first one, it is written what is a computer virus. So look here, what is written here in 11 number MCQ, it is written what is a computer virus. Option number A program, B, a germ, C, dust, D, damage the experiments. So experience. So dear students, from our book we have learned that computer virus is a program. That means option number A is the proper answer. Computer virus is a program. Now MCQ number 12, computer becomes harmful if, so look here, computer becomes harmful or a man will be addicted. So look at the MCQ number 12, computer becomes harmful if dash. Option number A, used is necessary work. Option number B, not used is necessary work. C, if we use excess. D number, if we use not much. So dear learners, look at the option number C, computer becomes harmful if we used access the computer. That means option number C is the proper answer. Computer becomes harmful if we, okay, there will be no if, okay. So look here, if we use access. Now 30 number MCQ, which one is the social networking site? Social networking site. So look here, look at the term, it is social networking site like Facebook, like Twitter. Social networking site. Option number A, LinkedIn. Yes, we can consider this one. Option number B, Opera Mini. No. C, Windows XP. No. D number, Chrome. So dear learners, look at the option number A. That means this is the proper answer of the social networking site. That means LinkedIn is the example of social networking site like Facebook, like YouTube also. So look here, number 14, when copyright law first established in Bangladesh. Copyright law, when copyright law first established in Bangladesh. Option number A, 1999, B, 2000, C, 2001 and D, 2002. Then let's look at the option number B. From our book we have learned copyright law was first established in Bangladesh in 2000. Now MCQ number 15, which one is the biggest example of open source philosophy? So look here, it is MCQ number 15, which one is the biggest example of open source philosophy? Look at the words, open source philosophy. Option number A, Google Chrome. No. B, Opera Mini. No. C number, Yahoo, and D number is Wikipedia. That means option number D is the proper answer, Wikipedia. So look, this is written below, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the biggest example of open source philosophy. Now MCQ number 16, the criminals are passing illegal data by using, so look, the criminals or the wrongdoers, criminals are passing illegal data by using A, internet, B, letter, C, email, D, card. So look at the option number A, the criminals are passing illegal data by using internet. That means option number A is the proper or accurate answer. Now MCQ number 17, look here. For cleaning the computer we need, so look here, If we want to clean the computer, we need option number 1, shut down the computer. 2, disconnect the electric supply of computer. 3, disconnect the electric supply of the room. Which one of the following is correct? Option number A, 1 and 2 we can consider. Option number B, 1 and 3, no. C, 2, 3, no. And D number 1, 2, 3. Dear learners, in these connections I request to look at option number A, it is 1 and 2. That means shut down the computer. Yes, we must shut down the computer. Then disconnect the electric supply of the computer. Yes, we should disconnect the electric supply of the computer to avoid any kind of harm. That means option number A is the proper answer. Shut down the computer, yes, this one, and disconnect the electric supply of the computer. This one is also. Now MCQ number 18. If we use computer access time, okay, look here. If we use computer access time or more time, it creates a physical problem, to create an eye problem, and 3 number creates a mental problem. Look at the option. Which one of the following is correct? A, 1 and 2, B, 1, 3, C, 2 and 3, D number 1, 2 and 3. So if we use computer access time, so look here, it create physical problem, yes, we can consider. It create eye problem, yes, this one is also, and 3 number create mental problem. That means option number D is the proper answer. 1, 2 and 3. Number 19, which one is the writing software in the computer? So look here, which one is the writing software in the computer? Option number A, graphical software, no. B, system software, no. C number, word processing software, yes, we can consider this one. Spreadsheet software, no. This one is calculation related things. That means option number C is the proper answer. Which one is the writing software? That means option number C, it is word processing software. You know this. Okay, last MCQ. So look here, which one is the Bengali phonetic software? Look, it is Bengali phonetic software. Previous it is writing software, that means word processing software. Now it is Bengali phonetic software. So look here, which one is the Bengali phonetic software? Option number A, science, no. B number, problems, no. C number, Lakoni, and D number, Obro. That means option number D, Obro. We all know that Obro is used in the Bengali phonetic software, or for writing Bengali words, any kind of words, we will use Obro software. Dear learners, I am telling from 11 to 20 again, so that all of you can easily understand and revise. Number 11, A program. Number 12, C, we used Access. Number 13, A, LinkedIn. Number 14, B, 2000. Number 15, it is D number, Wikipedia. Number 16, A number, Internet. Number 17, it is 1, 2. That means we need to shut down the computer, yes, disconnect the electric supply of the computer. 18 number is 1, 2, 3. That means if we use computer access time, it creates mental problem, yes, it creates eye problem, yes, it creates mental eye problem, mental problem, and physical problems. That means option number D, 1, 2 and 3. Now which one is the writing software? Word processing software is the writing software. Last is which one is the Bengali phonetic software? D, Obro software. Dear learners, look here, there is no SW. Okay, that means from today, okay, you will not have any kind of SW. My dear students of class 7, I hope all of you have revised this MCQ, this revision class number 2, 11 number 20, 11 to 20. So in these connections, if you did not revise, many of you, it is seen that many of you did not revise, please revise MCQ number 11 to 20. Dear learners, another one important things, in my previous class, I gave you an assignment, but it is seen that many of you did not submit your assignment. No, dear learners, I cordially request all of my students of class 7, please submit your assignment properly. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.